the Bharat can never become a Viksit country. In that visionary direction, the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Mohan Maji, has been guiding the entire team along with the officials of the state government who have been working tirelessly for the last so many weeks. May it have been the Pravasi Bharatiya, the DGIG conference, or may it have been the ScoopoOdisha conclave. I would like to specially thank all of them and also the police security who have been providing the security and securing the entire lot of people and giving them the confidence that Orissa is a safe place to come and put the investment in. This would not be possible with everybody converging and putting their lot behind the government. Friends, many MOUs have been signed, intents have been shown, both in the agro sector as well as the energy sector. I'll leave it for the Chief Minister to make the announcement in front of everyone. And without going further into this, I thank everyone, each and everyone who has participated in the ScoopoOdisha, the 16 countries who have been represented here. I would like to make a special thanks. I would like to give a special thanks to the man who's not only outstanding, he stands out, Hemant Sharma, for having done everything so perfectly. We are learning from each and every outing that you have been working here, Hemant, and thank you ever so much in projecting Orissa as a favored destination. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.